unleashing your potential, understanding, coming into your own. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, coming into your own. It's a phrase that you might have heard in movies, books, or even in everyday conversations. But what does it really mean? By the end of this video, you'll not only understand the phrase but also be able to use it confidently in your own conversations. So, let's get started. Coming into your own is a phrase that signifies reaching a level of competence or comfort in a particular situation or skill. It means that you've grown into yourself, mastering certain abilities or finding your place or role in a situation or in life. It's about personal growth and achieving a sense of independence and confidence. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. After years of practice and performances, the young musician is finally coming into her own, captivating audiences with her unique style. 2. Once shy and reserved, he's coming into his own as a public speaker, confidently expressing his ideas. 3. In her first year of college, she struggled to adapt, but now she's really coming into her own, excelling in her studies and making new friends. These examples highlight how the phrase can apply to various situations, including professional growth, personal development, or adapting to new environments. When using coming into your own, it's important to understand that it often implies a journey or process. It's not about an overnight success but a gradual improvement or adaptation that leads to a newfound sense of self-assurance. In storytelling or biographical contexts, you can use it to describe a person's journey to success or self-discovery. In motivational contexts, it can be used to encourage someone who is making progress in their personal or professional life. Remember, it's a versatile phrase that you can adapt to various scenarios to describe growth, achievement, and finding one's place or role. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at the phrase, coming into your own. We hope this video has helped you understand what it means and how you can use it in your own English conversations and writings. Remember, learning a language is also about coming into your own, as you master new ways to express yourself and connect with others. Keep practicing, and you'll find yourself using English more confidently every day. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.